What if I told you that with just a few lines of Python and C++, you could turn a normal image into this sleek, edge-detected version? Sounds cool, right? Well, that's exactly what we're about to do. Let's see how it works, step by step. We'll start on the C++ side. Here, we're setting up our engine, the fast part of the program that does all the heavy lifting. At the top, we're including a few libraries for math and data types, and then we wrap everything inside an extern C block so Python can actually talk to this code later. Inside our main function, we define two small 3 by 3 grids called Sobel kernels. These are the magic patterns that detect edges in different directions, um, one for horizontal changes and one for vertical ones. Then we loop over every pixel in the image except the borders, and for each pixel, we calculate how much the brightness changes around it. That's what the Sobel filter does. It measures how sharp the transitions are. The sharper the change, the stronger the edge. After combining the horizontal and vertical results using a bit of math, we end up with the gradient magnitude. That's basically a measure of how strong the edge is at that point. Finally, we write that value into the output image. Boom, a fast, clean edge detector written entirely in C++. Now that we've got our C++ code ready, let's compile it. You can compile the C++ code with this command. C++ might not be installed on your computer, and in that case, you won't be able to compile the code. I've published a video explaining how to set up everything you need. You can find it in the description below. Once it's done, we can jump straight into Python. In Python, things get much more friendly. We start by importing 3 essential modules, one for connecting to our C++ library, one for handling image data, and one for working with images themselves. If you don't have them yet, you can install them easily with a simple pip command. Next, we load our C++ library into Python. This step basically tells Python, hey, here's a shared library you can use, and here's what kind of data it expects. Then we open an image file, convert it to grayscale, and transform it into a NumPy array, because that's the easiest way to handle pixel data in Python. We also prepare an empty array where the processed image will go. Then comes the fun part, calling our C++ function. Python passes the image data directly into the C++ code, which does the Sobel edge detection lightning fast and sends the processed pixels back. Finally, we save the result as a new image. And there it is, a crisp black and white edge-detected version of your original picture, all done by combining Python's simplicity with C++ performance. Let's run it and see what happens. And there you go. The result appears right on screen. All those edges perfectly detected and highlighted. If you enjoyed this tutorial, there are plenty more Python lessons waiting for you in the courses section. I definitely recommend checking them out. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can subscribe or even join as a member. Keep coding, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.